Hello friends, today we are going to discuss an important chapter, how to increase internet speed in Windows 10 or Windows 8. But if you have not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. Then friends, first and important point is check internet connection properly. The first and important point is to check your internet connection properly. Ensure that internet broadband modem is connected with LAN cable in computer or laptop. If LAN card is not available in computers, then broadband modem may also be connected through another additional port such as USB cable or serial cable in the serial port. Check all the available connections and re-plug the cable properly. The second point is fast browser. Fast and slow speed of internet also depends upon what type of browser you use. It is recommended that choose the fast browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari and newly released Chromium Microsoft Edge browser. Ensure that no any external feature in the browser as bookmark bar, add-ons, update tools, etc. exist. If so, one kindly remove all to take full advantage of fast browsing. The third one is turn off background apps. First, go to the start Cortana search and type settings. Then choose the settings app as displayed above. Then choose the option from Windows setting privacy. After that, from the left pane of setting window, you should navigate the option background apps under app permission section. So go to the app permission section and click on background apps. Now go to the right side of same page and background apps, just below a toggle button let app run in the background, you should turn off this button. Third one is uninstall OneNote app. Go to the search and type OneNote. Select OneNote app for Windows 10 displayed at top result. Go to the right side and choose the option uninstall. The fourth one is disable Windows Update service to increase internet speed. Go to the search, type run command will open. Type services.msc in typing field and click on OK button. Now services window will open on your screen. Here navigate the option Windows Update Services. If found, you should make a right click on it and choose the option Stop. It will increase internet speed. If you are using a router, then Wi-Fi connection with a router, you should disconnect the router through electricity board. It means just turn off the router. After a while, re-plug again the router with electricity board. Sometimes this action will help to increase the speed of internet for all version of Windows. Sixth point is clear Windows 10 temporary files and cached files. Go to the search, type setting, open setting app and from setting window menu go to the section system. Now scroll down and choose the option storage. Thereafter go to right side and choose the option configure storage sense or run it now. Then you should choose the option clear now. It will clear all your temporary files. Seventh, disable enable internet or Wi-Fi connection. Go to the search, open control panel and choose the option network and sharing center. Here from the right side of window change adapter settings. Now available internet connection is available here. Choose your connection, make a right click on it and disable it. After a while again make a right click on it and choose enable again. It will definitely increase internet speed, boost internet speed in your Windows 10 system. Thank you.